88 million.
An Irish ticket holder has won tonight's Euro Millions jackpot of more than 88 million euro. There was only one winning ticket. It's not yet clear where in Ireland it was sold.
Unfortunately, we didn't win the lotto.
Fake! No, you can't say that either.
Yeah, what would you do with 88 million? I know, I'd buy a house facing the ocean. Set up a fund for those who need help. Here's my cup of tea. So cold outside all of a sudden. Careful.
No, don't touch it.
Why not?
Because then the bee will sting you.
It will sting me?
Yeah.
Oh,
Why?
it just might sting you.
What?
Might sting you.
Why sting you? Why?
I don't know.
That.
There we go. It's here now. And try. Oh, see the wind blowing out. Now let's try it again.
Boom, 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 boom. Is this a little stick?
Yeah.
I can go in.
Oh, this. Come on. Don't blow it out.
Why are they blowing out?
And the wind is blowing out.
Why?
Any judicial process in this
doesn't even have any semblance to with a million.
Is this adventurous? The only thing is the wind is blowing towards us. Do you want to sit this side? Bit of custard. Gorgeous. Delicious. To have Christmas pudding in February.
Did I said because it's yummy?
I'd say it's just the best Christmas pudding I've ever had, isn't it? Are you warm enough? You full? You had enough? No.
Put it in the barbecue now.
Okay, put that away in the kitchen, yeah? Don't rush. Thank you, bud. So we're doing a bit of gardening and cutting shrubs. Just taking a break now.
Is that a barbecue?
Is it a barbecue for you?
Let's see. That says barbecue place. Yes, it does.
Look, if we were living in Australia, we could have barbecues every day. Sitting by the fire, you think about everything. I wanted to say thank you so much, all of you, for your support and for watching my videos. I truly appreciate that. Just has changed dramatically. It was beautiful sunny morning. We got up to come out to take a kind of low flight above the rocks. Can't do it. It's crazy windy here now. So this is it. We tried a little bit, but I'm not going to take the chance.
standard. Was I looking at you during the week?
I don't know.
You drone girl.
Yeah, I am.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah. It's holding right, isn't it? Really good, isn't
Not
it?
really.
No. Very brave. I had a look and I was like, there's no chance I'm putting it up.
What have you got?
Nothing for.
Oh, deadly.
Yeah. I put it up with it.
Hello.
Hello.
Can you reach me?
No. Give me your hands.
Goodbye and hi.
I finally got the IAA tag. Just like that.